Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so problem 20 is really this comparing and contrasting our arteries and our veins, right? So they have some similar features and some very different ones. Okay, and so one thing to note is that they are both made of three distinct layers, right? So we have the three layers here. Trying to draw a valve there. So this would be a valve, which is meant to keep the blood moving in only one direction. Okay, and then the other end, so they have these three layers, this tunica externa here, externa sort of being the external most, and then by a similar name, we have the tunica media, like the medium layer, middle layer, and then the tunica, that's a funny U, tunica intima. Okay, and these layers, this first one is really in an endothelium. Right, so it's like a skin tissue, sort of a protective layer. Now the tunica media, the media layer is like smooth muscle and elastic fibers, so that's going to be some smooth muscle, say. And the external one is connective tissues and elastic fibers as well. So this is our connective tissue. So whether you sort of know them as these sort of strange inner, medium, external names, or if you just sort of know that it's this protective endothelium followed by a smooth muscle followed by connective tissue, however you want to cut it, it is three distinct layers. They have that in common. And the other sort of main difference here is how they move the blood, right? So if we're back to our arteries versus veins, and in the body here, we're going to have blood that flows from the heart and has a lot of help with gravity, right? And then it's getting this deoxygenated blood back up to the heart that can be a little bit trickier, sort of moving backwards, right? So that's why the veins have those valves, okay, whereas the arteries do not. And so the arteries are the ones bringing the oxygenated blood away from the heart into the body, and the veins are the ones sort of bringing the deoxygenated blood back up to the heart, okay? And so then the letter choice that we want is going to be B.